this is Shrestha and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. So for today's video, I'm going to talk about a very few things which are very essential nowadays. Actually, these things are always essential, but we never used to be so worried about these. But right now, it's a total necessity. Like, you may not carry anything else with you if you're going out, but you have to carry these things. So in the month of July, I guess there are a lot of places where the restrictions are being removed, where people are going out. Like, the schools and colleges have not yet started, and I hope they are not being started until everything is a little better from what it is now. But in the month of July, there are a lot of other places which are starting, like which are reopening. So yeah, we have to get out, people have to go to work. Although I would tell you that if you are not in that need, like if it is not an emergency, then do not go out. But if you have to, then you have to take some precautions, and we all know that we have to wash your hands, we have to wear the mask. So these are the things that I'm going to talk about today, and I'm going to show you a few things which you actually can carry in your bag whenever you are going out. You can keep at your home, at your place. Whenever you need, you can use it right away. Like, these are very normal things, these are very general things, there is nothing new about it. But yeah, I will tell you a lot of uses of these things. Like, whatever you can do for now, you have to do it. Like, whatever precautions you can take, you have to take it. So let's get started with the video. The first thing is sanitizer. Come on, we all know by now that sanitizing is very important. Whether your hands, whether your surfaces, whether the things you are touching. So for that, we have to carry a sanitizer in our bag, for which I always carry this sanitizer. Well, I'm not going to talk about any brand or something. Whatever I have, I'm going to talk about that. I'm going to show you that. Use whatever you want. Like, right now, sanitizers are being produced even by the rice companies and the pulses companies. So that doesn't matter. Whichever sanitizer you think is good for you, and whichever sanitizer you can get hold of, just get hold of it. So this one I keep in my bag, and this smells like orange, so I like it a little better. And also, this one is a small bottle and not that small that it will finish in 2 to 3 days. It is going to last me at least 2 to 3 weeks if I'm going out regularly, which I'm not doing. So you can see that I have just finished this much. Now, with this thing, I also carry something to sanitize the surfaces that I'm going to touch. Maybe it's the car's door, maybe it's the lift's button, maybe for sanitizing my phone, because I am out with my phone and my phone is generally in my hand. I do not keep it in my bag or in my pocket. I tend to carry it in my hand, so of course it gets in contact with a lot of places. Also, when I'm paying or something like that, I keep it on the table, on the cash counter. So yeah, so I carry a few things. Again, saying you don't have to get the exact same thing that I'm showing. I'm just showing what I have and what I use. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is the Savlon one. This is a surface disinfectant spray. You get a Dettol's one, I guess, and there are lots of other companies again. So this comes in a big bottle like this. You spray this one on the surfaces. You can use it in your home as well. So I was carrying it, but it is a little big and a little heavy for my bag to carry, so I kept it at my place, and then I moved on to another one. This is the Aria's Instant Advanced Sanitizer Spray. Also, the difference is this is for your skin as well. Like, you can use it on your hands, on your sofa, on your bag, lock, and mobile, and the steering of your car. Like, it is safe for skin and all surfaces. This one is just saying that this is for surface disinfectant spray. So if I'm on the go, I can just spray this one on my hand and also on the surfaces, and it smells amazing. This is the brand from Lara Datta, and I never tried anything else from her brand, and it is very sad that I am trying her brand because of the sanitizer and nothing else. Like, I should try her brand for other things. I've heard a lot of good things about her brand. So yeah, this is the one. This is the antiseptic disinfectant spray with moisturizer and vitamin E. It is written here. Doesn't matter, whatever you have, you use it, but do use it. Again, another option I can tell you is this Lifebuoy Germ Kill Spray. This is a little smaller, but again, this is a little pricier. Like, for the size, it is a little pricey. So this one also kills 99.9% bacteria and viruses. It is safe on skin and safe on surfaces. So if you can manage to get your hands on this, it is the best to use or best to carry in your bag. But I won't say this is the best one, because the best one is what I am going to show you. These are all the pricey versions. Let me come to the reality. This thing is not going soon, and we are not going to stop using these things, and these are going to be very pricey at the end of the day. At the end of the month, if you calculate how much you have spent on your sanitizers, it must be a lot. So what we can do is, for home we can keep a bigger bottle of alcohol. Like for example, you can take the rubbing alcohol. I have, like you see, I have a spray bottle full of rubbing alcohol. This is rubbing alcohol. This is what I spray on the surfaces in my home. This is what I spray on the packages that arrives in my home. I spray on all the letters that arrive. I spray on everything that arrives from outside. Maybe it's the bag which has come from the shop, from the grocery shop, or from the vegetable shop, or from anything like that. Maybe I've ordered food. As you know that online delivery of food is now available. Even if that comes in, I spray this one first on the whole package, and then I let it sit for 5-10 minutes, and then I open it. But I will tell you that if you're receiving cardboard packages like from any online brand or any online store, then keep it for 3 days outside your home, or maybe somewhere isolated where you do not touch it. Yeah, of course, do use the sanitizer spray, but then keep it for 3 days, because I have heard that cardboard packages, or cardboard basically carries the virus for 3 days, and it can stay there for 3 days and doesn't. I don't know if it goes by the sanitizer spray, but I do everything. I even spray it and I keep it as well. So I will suggest you to do that. So yeah, the economical version of your sanitizer. Take a bottle like this and fill it with rubbing alcohol, that is isopropyl something like that. I will link down in the description box below. And if you want to carry it, take a smaller spray bottle and carry it with yourself. Use it on your hands, use it on your surfaces, use it on the car keys, on your phone, on your table, on the car doors, everything. This is the most economical version I can suggest you, and I actually used to use this for fixing my broken palettes or broken highlighters, broken blushes, any compact or any powder makeup that came and broken or that broke by mistake. So I used to use this for that one, but now I carry this in my bag as well. Though I have all this, so I'm going to finish off these things, but then I thought that I was going through these bottles like nobody's business. So I thought that how much am I going to spend on these things? So let's get down to something economical. So yeah, these are my economical versions. I will suggest you to do that. The next thing that I want to talk about is our toilet seat sanitizing spray. Basically, if you carry these things, then you don't need to carry this one. But if you are not carrying these things, and I don't know why you are not carrying these things, you should carry these things. Whatever it is, this one is very important. Like, this is from Peace. I'm using this for 1.5 years now. Before spraying this thing, I never use any public toilets, and I will tell you that you should not as well. Even you can spray this one on the knobs, on the door knobs, or maybe on the flush, because you touch that one, right? So yeah, this is very important. Buy this. I'm not telling you to buy the same thing. You can use any one of these, maybe this one or maybe this one. Just spray it before you touch the toilet seat or before you touch the flush. So do keep in mind that don't touch anything before spraying the sanitizer if you are out in public. So please. The next thing is very important. As I told you, it's the mask. Like, I will tell you to keep a spare mask in your bag, because it has happened to me that I was in a hurry and I just went out, and one neighbor of mine just asked me, where is your mask? And I was like, oh god, I did not wear my mask. I was in such a hurry. So I had to come up again and take my mask. So for that, I'm telling you, since then onwards, I actually keep a spare one in my bag, and this is the one I normally use. I generally use. This is, I don't know from which brand. I got this from Amazon, and I'll try to link this one. This is a camouflaging one, but in a pink version maybe, or salmon version, whatever you say it, and it's nice, it's breathable, and it's reusable, so I really like it. If you don't have a mask, or if you don't like using mask or anything like that, or maybe if you have only one mask and if you don't have anything to carry in your bag, or if you don't have one to keep a spare, so you can actually use a bandana like this. Like, I keep actually this one at my bag, and whenever I forget, I just tie it like this, because that is it. You don't have to get a mask. Like, you can use just this one, just a bandana or maybe a big hanky that fathers generally use. So you can tie that around your nose and you are good to go. Carry something. Keep something spare in your bag. You never know when you will need it, when you will be, into an emergency situation and you will be needing it. So carry something. Right now we cannot take risk of about anything. Our health comes first. With our health, our family's health comes first. So please do take precautions, okay? Well, the next thing that I want to talk about is gloves, hand gloves. This is the MediSmart latex examination gloves. Like, this is the packet. This is pack of 100 gloves and it was for rupees around 200 or something like that. And actually these gloves can be reused, not every day, like not for 3-4 days, but actually reuse them for 2 days at least. When I come back home, I open them and I wash them and I give them time to dry up, and then I again use it next day if I have to use it. Basically they come out like this and they are filled with powder. Like, once I put my hands in and then I take out, it is filled with powder. So it is nice because if your hand sweats, it doesn't stick on your hand. And also, one thing I'll tell you, that this one turns yellow. I don't know what happens with these gloves. Why does that happen? If anybody of you know why the gloves turns yellow, it only for my right hand in this portion this turns yellow, and I have no clue why does that happen. So I don't mind that happening as it is. It feels like maybe the material is coming in contact with the body heat or something like that, and that's why it's changing its color. But I don't mind my gloves turning yellow. So yeah, this is another necessary thing. I will really suggest you to use gloves before going out, and because you are going to touch a lot of things, so do use gloves. And the next thing I'm going to talk about, maybe this is the last thing, is reusable straw. Basically, since last year I use metallic straws even in my home, and also I carry one in my bag. But recently, while I was shopping in Amazon, like just right after the lockdown, I came across this little thing. This is a silicone straw and it came in the pack of 2. One is this one and the other one I have kept, and it just opens up like this, and here is your straw. Like, it is a reusable straw. It is made out of silicone. You just pop this one out and put it in your drink and just drink it. And again, you can just fold it and put it inside this little, what should I say, container or something like that. And also it comes with a cleaner. Like, this cleaner goes straight, like you can straighten this one. It is very flexible and you can clean it. If you have a wash basin where you were having your drink, you can clean this one there. Or if you don't, just pop it inside your bag in this container, come to your place and then just clean it. So yeah, again you will just fold it. You just need to fold it. Sorry. Again you just have to fold this and put it inside the container, and the straw again goes inside. And it is safe. It doesn't comes in contact with the dust particles inside your bag. It's a very big problem which I used to face when I used to carry those metallic straws in my bag. Like, I never had a case or anything, a container or something like that in which I used to carry the straw. I just used to throw it in my bag, and in my bag I used to carry a lot of things, and it used to come in contact with a lot of dust and dirt, and it was always not possible for me to wash the straw and then put it inside the drink. Whenever I used to get the drink, I used to pop that straw inside it. So that was not that healthy, not that hygienic. So this one is a hygienic option, so I will really recommend you to get this one. Also, this one will allow you to cut down the use of plastic straws, and that is very good for our environment, for our world, because everything going upside down because of the plastic users. And I will really tell you to at least cut some plastic users that you can do in your life. So yeah, that is it. Also, this one comes in a plastic container. I don't know how to say it, but again, this is a reusable one. Those plastic straws are never reusable. So yeah, that's it. This one I will talk about, but this is not for this situation. This is what you always need to carry. Like, you should carry. Like, touch wood, I have never had to use this, and I hope that you also never get into any situation that calls for the usage of this one. But yeah, you should carry this if you are a girl especially. So this is the self-defense pepper spray, knockout. This is knockout punch, something like that. So this is a pepper spray. This is a cute tiny pepper spray. It comes with a keychain, and I just put all these things together in this fluffy pom-pom keychain, because whenever I need to grab these things, like always I know where I have to find. Like I just put my hand in wherever I feel that this is a soft thing coming inside my hand. I know what I am taking. So yeah, this is the one. Like this is the pepper spray. You just turn this one and then you spray. And I'll tell you one thing: do not spray to test it. I did it, and from me to my mom to my dog, everybody just sneezed and cried for a good half an hour. The whole room, not even one room, it does spread to a large area, and even it went inside my kitchen, and there my mom was like really sneezing and coughing because of this one. This is very, very dangerous, and since then I'm very afraid of this one. So this has a locking system, which is good, because if it did not have that one, then you never know, inside the bag it might get sprayed. Whenever you will be opening the bag, I don't even want to remember that day. So whatever it is, carry this one. But I really hope nobody gets into those kind of situations. But yeah, precautions are always better than cure. So yeah, that is it. And I guess with this one I finish up my list, and I have showed you everything. Basically, I'm again telling you, I was not showing you all the products that I am using or that I'm carrying. I just wanted to talk about the things that you need to carry essentially right now, because things are not really well. The world is suffering a lot. So for our health, for our family's health, for our dear ones' health, our loved ones' health, we have to take care of ourselves, and even we have to take care of them. So yeah, that is it. Although I'm going to link everything down in the description box below that I showed you today. If you want to check them out, you can. But if not, use whatever you have, use whatever you want to use. Go through all the sanitizers, or go through all the pepper sprays, or whatever you want to buy in a website, and see whichever is suitable for you, whichever is in your budget, whichever you want to use, and use that one. But just use it. Do not leave the house without these things. Even in your place, keep these things. You need all these things every day. So with that, I'm going to end my video right here, right now. And I hope that you liked this video and you enjoyed watching this video, and this video was a little helpful to you. And if it was, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to ring the bell, because that will allow you to get a notification every time I upload a new video. So that is being said, I'm going to end this video right here, right now, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!